What's up, Magic Mob? So welcome back to the channel. Today we get to use our magic wands and do a magical makeover. So I am headed, or actually Antonio and I, we're both headed to Miss Nikita's house. Nikita has requested that we come over and help her out with her living and dining room area. As you can see, the car is fully packed. Antonio is in front of me in his truck, fully packed. And we are going to go over here and see, trying to drive too, sorry. So we're going to go over here and see how we can help her. Hopefully she loves what we have come up with. She told us that she is very much into traveling. She loves traveling. She loves like old country fields or Tuscan fields. So hopefully what I've done kind of integrates everything that she was hoping for. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm excited about this one. Alright guys, so welcome to Miss Nikita's house. She's actually already moved some things for us because there was a dining room table and some different things over there. So what we're going to do in here, we are going to decorate this living and dining room area. We are starting by taking down, there was some blinds over the French door, and then we're going to do an accent wall right here. So we're going to start there, and then we're just going to fill this space in. And like I said, hopefully she loves it. All right, guys, so as an accent wall, we are using this brick peel and stick vinyl, which is really good. This is a really good option, especially for people that are renters and they cannot paint their walls. Because this is peel and stick, you just peel the back, stick it up there, and then whenever you get ready to move, it just comes right down. So I think this is gonna look really good. This is gonna be a faux brick wall in her dining room area. Guys, we got the wall done. We just brought in the dining room set, and now we're about to start installing everything. So I'm just gonna set you guys up over here so you can watch us a little bit. I'm gonna tell you, look, I was nervous because I'm like, I gotta try to get all of these different things to blend. But we really wanted to focus on how much you love traveling. Because like I said, when you talked about it, your whole face just lit up. So we did the world map over here, and then we did this wall. This will be your focal point for all your goodies that you get when you go, when you travel. So yeah, the suitcases, so we cut them in half and made shelves out of them. And then now that you have an entertainment center here, you're able to, you can do display up there. First you wanted your wine bar. This was a necessity. So you have your wine. You know, so
I love it, and it's really cool looking.
Oh yeah, this was actually all one color, and I painted the bottom red. I'm like, let's paint the bottom red and put some different knobs on it to kind of give it a little pop.
So pretty.
I'm glad you like it.
I really do like it.
Yeah.
This is nice. I'm excited. It's so pretty. I really like it. The vibe in the house, it feels different. I like it.